Hello guys, I am Shazad and welcome in lecture number 7. Today we are going to discuss about the graphics in HTML5. We know very well that HTML5 has introduced some new elements to draw your graphics like canvas, like SVG. So these are the two elements. You can draw the graphics, either it's a line or rectangle or circle, by using these two elements. But first of all, what is the canvas? In HTML5, a canvas element is used to draw graphics on a web page, but you cannot draw any graphics if you are using a canvas without JavaScript. That means JavaScript is involved to draw a particular graphic on a web page. If you open the Google and write here canvas in HTML5, open some websites. So now, as you can see, this is the basic of the canvas to draw this element. As you can see, the JavaScript code is involved to draw this box. So that's why we are going to skip this canvas, because it's a basic HTML5 series. Before learning this canvas, you have to learn the basic HTML or the basic JavaScript. So now, as you can see, this is the HTML5, and if you are creating this box, that means you have to define some JavaScript code. So we'll discuss about the canvas, I think, in our advanced HTML5, but in basic HTML5 we are going to cover the SVG in the graphics section. In the next lecture we are going to cover the SVG. So thank you for watching.